Hey guys, my name is David, and today we're going to be looking at the Mir 3-in-1 iPhone lens. So first thing, when you receive your product, you receive it in a nice box like this. On the back, it tells you what each lens is and what function it does. This kit from Mir has a fisheye lens, a macro lens, and a super wide angle lens. So when we open the box, let's go ahead and do that. We are greeted with something similar like this. Now this comes with a high quality carrying pouch so that you can keep all of them together, and it also fits in your pocket. So first we have a clip that connects to your phone. Now the lens just screws right into here, and then inside it has soft pads, rubber pads, which make it so it doesn't slip on your iPhone and doesn't damage your phone. So first off we have the fisheye lens. Now the fisheye lens screws onto the macro lens in order to connect to your clip. You then simply get your phone, and on the camera, you just put the clip, align it with the camera, and it snaps in place. So on screen right now are some samples of the fisheye lens. Then if we screw that off and screw apart the fisheye lens, we have a macro lens, which is even smaller. Clip it onto your iPhone, and you have a macro lens, which takes very close-up photos. Right now on the screen I have some example photos of photos I've taken on my iPhone. Once again, these are very high quality pieces of glass and will give your iPhone or smartphone some very quality photos for the size. Last but not least, we have the wide angle lens. This is by far the biggest of the three. They also come with some very nice lens caps, which protect both sides of the lens. And then you put this onto your phone, a wide angle lens on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you some high quality photo examples from my phone. Now these aren't just plastic, these lenses are crafted from glass and are very high quality materials that are quite durable in the hand. Thank you for watching, and this has been the Mir 3-in-1 iPhone lenses.
The garage is now ready.